Perfect. So I will share my project. So my project it's okay. My project is a chatbot, a app. Basically, each user when anyone start can basically enter his name. So Juan Peñalosa, I will set this name as first. Okay. Then I will simulate other user like I will set my name, Ignacio Marenco. Okay, so now we have Ignacio Marenco and Juan Peñalosa and um, Juan uh, say hey. Juan Peñalosa say hey, and Ignacio Marenco respond hey. Um, okay, how are you? Juan Peñalosa say how are you, and Ignacio respond fine. So this is the app, basically a chat box where any user can join and talk with any people who use this application. So this is like this a demo where you can see like people join to the chat, puts his name and can interact with between all who is in the chat, and all the message was sent to all participants. Um, So in terms of the code, I use Node.js with JavaScript for the front end and for the back end. Um, so for the front end, I use sorry, adding some light. Um, for the front end, I use JavaScript with Next.js. Next.js is a framework for React, so I'm using Next.js, JavaScript, and React. And for the backend, I'm using Express. It's a Node.js backend framework, and I use WS like for WebSockets. Um, so we can see the libraries here for backend, and for the front end, we can see the libraries uh, here, the dependencies. So I have some commands to run all from root. So we have like front end for the front end, backend for the backend, and in the package of main, I have running like all the commands. In this case, I run dev because it's just dev running. So in terms of code, the front end, the main part, it's in page. Basically, in the page, we have the all the logic related with front end. What we have here, it's if we go to return, we have like this condition where if we have a name, if we haven't a name, we set the all the component to set the name. First, if I already set a name, we have like all the chatbot with the this is a map of messages to show all messages, and we have the input to set our message and the button to send the message, and all this communication between all the front ends we make with WebSocket. So we have the configuration of WebSocket, and we switch like we use this switch to know which message type it's, which event type is, and depending of that we set or not, we make some configuration, but mainly we receive a message, we set in the array of message in this hook, and then we map the new message. And in terms of the backend, it's more simple. We have like just the server. We use WS framework library for Node.js, and it's the same logic. We are listening messages from the WebSocket of the front end, based on that and the type of event that we receive, or the type of message that we receive, we make some logics. So here we receive a set name, we set name in the backend to know over each which should we send the message. If we receive a message, we build this object with the name and the message, and we broadcast to all uh, to all the participants of the chat. So in this, basically, we make a broadcast to all message to all participants, and yeah, that's basically how the demo of my app and how looks the code